Hey, what's doing, guys? Today, you're going to see me practice shooting with my new Nerf gun. Hold up. Sorry. That was a double shot. Okay, I'm gonna pick up the ammo. Okay, now time to load in the ammo. 1, 2, and 3, 4. And we're gonna straighten it up and come back for part 2.